Hi everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric and you are watching the teardown process of the first Tatra for our monster truck build, episode 23. Sponsored by a wonderful Patreon patrons who help to support this channel. If you don't know what a Patreon is, just go down to link below. As you can see, something is not as usual here. It's because simply some footage from our memory card simply disappeared. So I just will tell you what we did in this episode, and then we will continue with the footage that is left. Wonderful gym, we have one more left. Ty vole! To bylo mi dobrý, aby viděli, jakou mají mám páku, jo. Tak to nějak jako udělej, aby bylo vidět. Pak to změříme, jo.
Přibližně.
Je to tam?
Ještě jednou.
I need a lever of 2 meters. Almost 7 feet. Děkuju. Jo, funguje. I'm looking at these U-bolts, they are pretty worn out. So I am going to keep 2 of them for measurements or whatever I will need it. But I'm going to cut the next because it's crazy. That was easier than the second one there, I can tell. They are really worn out, look at that. Unfortunately, all these 4 bolts over here, they are completely rusty, and I don't want to cut this off or damage it because they might still be good, maybe. And I want to use these brackets as a brackets for the suspension for the front axle, probably. So I will try to get inside it. If I can unbolt it from inside, maybe I can. Who knows? Oh, it looks like brand new inside. Not now when I put all that mess in. So this is the airbag for Tatra from inside. This is really like brand new. No, it's welded from inside. I don't really know. We'll deal with it later. And next thing probably what we are going to do is to remove the differential lockers. I told her to do not film this. I think you have enough from last from last episode, don't you? Basically here is the differential that locks, and this is the controller for the differential locker. And so of course we don't want to get any mess inside. And I thought I cleaned this Tatra very well last time, but I am changing my opinion right now. So we need to take it off because of that fork before we will do anything with this part of the truck. So you can see the air moves this somehow, and it moves this over here. And this one is the same thing, is the differential locker for this axle, and this one locks these two axles together. We'll take them off as well. So the controllers are completely the same, but this one is opposite direction. And this controller connects the shaft for the front axle and connects it with the rest of the vehicle. The front axle doesn't have the locker, just the differential. This one is longer over here, as you can see. And now I wanna take off the components of the steering. So these joints over here, here and there must go, and then we'll go to the front axle. Okay, we got it in the air, and we can steer them. So we will start with this one. Hopefully it will go. And now I will try to make some puller for these joints. Hopefully I will make it. So this is the best way how I was able to put it there. So we'll see how it will work. I don't really want to buy that expensive puller. It's sideways, but in theory it might work. Done! Yay! It's done! That's amazing. I'm a little bit surprised. I'm very happy that this piece of nothing that cost nothing was able to actually disconnect the joint from Tatra. We call it udělat z prdu kuličku. You can translate it. And now we will do the same nonsense on this side. It doesn't fit there at all. But it doesn't bother me at all. And it's done. It smells so good. Super! It was easier than I thought. There is so much things on this Tatras, so easy. Everybody can do it. So we disconnected the steering arms, and we also disconnect these two joints and remove all of this out, and then we'll go after other components. This one still has a good bushing. It seems like it's a kind of good one. So I will try to drive it out just by force through the bottle jack. We'll see if it will work. Unfortunately, I have to ruin this bushing. What can I do? Yeah. I wasn't sure if it's free, but it is. She told me it's impossible. You have no pullers, you have no scales. It's impossible. You will never be able to do this. Same like some people on Facebook. They are smart, they knew. So we are able to remove this part of the steering. This is the last one. Okay, We got something different here than I thought. I can tell it's pretty messy. 15 million ton part. Awesome. I'm tired and dirty as usual, but I'm happy. We made it. Okay, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode because we are going to get into this. And if you want more, join our Patreon community, purchase the t-shirt, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.